To troubleshoot the WorldPay hosted payment page, start by understanding the basics of how it works. The WorldPay hosted payment page is a secure payment processing solution that allows customers to make payments online. It is hosted by WorldPay, which means that the payment page is not part of your website, but rather a separate page that is accessed through a redirect. The first step in troubleshooting is to identify the issue. Common problems with the WorldPay hosted payment page include payment declines, errors during the payment process, and issues with payment confirmation. To identify the issue, review the payment process and look for any error messages or codes. Next, check the payment page configuration. Ensure that the payment page is correctly set up and configured in your WorldPay account. Verify that the payment page template is correctly assigned and that the payment methods are enabled. Another key area to check is the payment gateway settings. Ensure that the payment gateway is correctly configured and that the API credentials are valid. Also, check that the payment gateway is not experiencing any downtime or technical issues. Additionally, check the customer's browser and device. Sometimes, issues with the payment page can be caused by browser or device compatibility problems. Test the payment page on different browsers and devices to see if the issue persists. It is also important to check the payment page URL. Ensure that the payment page URL is correctly formatted and that it is not being blocked by any firewalls or security software. To further troubleshoot, review the WorldPay transaction logs. The transaction logs provide detailed information about each payment transaction, including any errors or declines. Look for any error codes or messages that can help identify the issue. Best practices for troubleshooting the WorldPay hosted payment page include testing the payment page regularly, monitoring payment transaction logs, and keeping the payment page configuration up to date. It is also important to have a clear understanding of the payment process and to be able to identify common issues and error codes. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot the WorldPay hosted payment page and resolve any issues that may arise. This will help to ensure that your customers can make payments successfully and that your business can operate smoothly.